This is Sing Sing by Luis de Jesus. Ready?
Yeah. You got the bag?
Right here. Alright, let's go.
Wait. I'm not the one doing it. What do you mean you're not the one doing it? It's your bag.
Yeah, it's my bag that I generously provided so that I wouldn't have to do it.
What are you, a pussy?
Oh my god, just give me the bag.
A what?
Give me the bag.
No, hold on, Ivan. Gio thinks I'm pussy. You think I'm pussy? Let's go.
Better not fuck this up, boy.
It's fucking freezing.
Shut up.
Hey, big guy. Why don't you worry about how you're gonna distract the cashier, okay?
Here we go. Hey, excuse me.
There they are. How many do we need? 8. We need 8 of them. 8! What are you, fucking nuts? Any less won't do nothing for us. Come on. We don't got all night. Alright.
So what you're gonna do is just fill everything out, attach your resume, and if everything looks good, we'll call you in for an interview. Okay, cool. So, how do you like it here? I like it. It's good pay and not much trouble. I can't do this.
What do you mean? We're running out of time. Just open the bag and stand by the door. I'll take care of the rest. Let's go.
Alright. Well, thanks for everything. Have a good one. Enjoy yourself, fellas.
The CVS bandits are back, motherfucker!
You just heard Sing Sing by Luis de Jesus, directed, produced, master engineered, and starring Luis de Jesus. Music by Jonathan DeFuni, and a special thanks to New York University for the sound effects collection. This was produced for Sue Ziz's Thursday Sound Image class, Fall 2016.
How you like me now? All you bandwagon fucks can bow the fuck down to the Sing Sing King while you nicking my crown. Ding, ding, ding.